This is a 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ model, which means it is essentially packaged with, I would say, every option, including the parking sensors, your rear backup camera, flex fuel. You can see how absolutely flawless the tail lights are. The paint job is near flawless. And there is this one ding. Wheels are clean, undercarriage is clean. You can see how well maintained that is. Running boards are black, as they should be. The trim is in good order, good tint, clean roof, power windows, power folding windows. Tires are new up front, fairly new in the rear. Here's another blemish. We're being specific here. Everything on this vehicle works 100% as it should, including the tailgate and all those options. No dings, damage at all. This is a four-wheel drive with the auto and with the navigation, 117,000 miles on it. A two-owner vehicle. There's a stereo again with the navigation and such. It is a Bose, as you can see there. The biggest flaw in this vehicle is right here, dash cracking, which seems to be a common problem. It does have your sunroof, does have your DVD entertainment system, and it does come with the original headsets too, and remote, and of course all the paperwork for it. And obviously with the Avalanche you have the fold down back seats in the midgate. That window glass gets removed and that midgate comes down to expand your bed capacity. 2011 Chevy Avalanche.